What's the meaning of cross-trainer? Cross-trainer. Cross-trainer.
Cross-trainer. Cross-trainer. A cross-trainer is a type of exercise machine that combines the motion of a treadmill, stepper, and elliptical trainer, usually used for cardiovascular and weight loss workout routines. The machine targets many different muscle groups in the body, including the legs, back, and arms. By using a cross-trainer, users can burn a significant amount of calories in a relatively short amount of time while also improving their overall fitness and endurance. It is a popular choice for people looking to improve their cardiovascular health and engage in low-impact aerobic exercise.